So you might be having an issue on your Android phone where for some reason calls are just not going through. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's exactly as it sounds. You're trying to make calls, but none of those calls are actually going through. Now, the reason why this ends up happening for most people out there is mostly because the calls and your SIM card may be having an issue. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you have a SIM card inserted and making sure that SIM card is fully activated and working within your specific device. So you can do that by going into your Wi-Fi connections here on really any Android phone. There should be some area where you can go ahead and see your data usage, SIM card manager. You want to find something along those lines, and as long as it tells you you have a SIM card installed, that can rest assured the biggest issue. If it tells you that you do not have a SIM card installed or anything along those lines, well then there may be another issue at store. So try reinserting your SIM card if this is the issue. Now if that's not the issue, the other thing you need to make sure is that you have cell signal. If you do not have any cell signal around you, this is pretty much the only other thing that can pretty much go wrong. So you want to make sure you have, you're in an area that actually has proper cell signal. If you have issues with that, then I would recommend troubleshooting that further, because that is probably the reason why you're not able to make calls. Now, on top of that, another reason why you may be having issues with this is because the phone call you're calling or the person you're calling, they may be having issues contacting you in general. So you may want to make sure you're not on airplane mode, and you want to make sure they're contacting the right number. If you didn't give them the right number, that could be another thing. But you want to make sure you yourself have cell signal that's good, and you yourself are not on airplane mode either. So you can always swipe down to your control center. You can always make sure you're not on airplane mode, and that is pretty much the other thing you can do as well. Now, if you're not having that issue, I would probably recommend updating your phone at this point. So make your way over to your settings here. You want to scroll down to software update, download and install. And all you want to do here is just download and install an update if there is one available for you. So that is pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.